Hi there. When you want to sort any kind of input streams, we obviously use the command called sort, which is available on most Unixes, including Linux. For example, if I want to sort the output of a file, I could just say sort a.txt. But let's say the file is already sorted. By the way, this is sorting in lexicographic order, so don't worry about that. So anyways, if at all I want to unsort a file, maybe shuffle a file, this file is already perhaps in a very sorted order. You can see that it shows up line number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way till 20. The lines seem to be sorted. But maybe I want to shuffle this. If you want to shuffle the contents of an input stream, you can use another command which is the opposite of sort, which is shuf. And shuf can be used to shuffle any input streams. It will randomize, scramble the contents. And it doesn't change the file. It's just going to read the file and print it in the randomized order in the output. You can also use it as a filter. It's obviously a filter. So if you have output of some commands like ps command and showing you in some order, right? Let's say you want to randomize the output of ps command. You could actually use psax pipe. You might ask me what's the use of this. Well, maybe I want to pick a random process. From the list of process, I just want to pick a random process for from use case. I could just say psax pipe shuf. But this time I can say shuf minus n and I can say 1. How many elements you want to extract from the result. So it just picks one random process from the result. And yeah, by the way, psax might also print a header. Sometimes you might also end up getting the header. If you don't want a header, yeah, I guess you know what to do. On Linux systems, you can say minus no hyphen header. To be very sure. If you want to pick a random file from a folder, you know how to do that. You could say ls/etc. For example, pipe shuf minus n1. This will do the same thing. Picks a random file or a folder from /etc. And you can also use it to generate random numbers in your shell script. Yeah, if you're using bash or z shell, if you want to get random numbers, it's very easy to say echo $random. This variable, random, misspelled it, sorry, right? So if I just type echo $random, it just generates values which are quite random. But this works mostly on the modern shells. But if you're stuck with a overly simplistic shell like sh, which is very likely going to be nash or dash or ash, depending on what Linux you might be using, then obviously echo $random might not work. In such case, sorry, I just typed it wrong. Yeah, echo $random does not work. In such cases, you can still say seq, whatever the number, right? And I can just say pipe shuf minus n1. So you can generate random numbers on shells like these by simply using a seq command. So whatever size you want, you can specify minus n. You want to generate maybe 10 random numbers, pick 10 random numbers from this number up to maybe 100,000. You could say seq 100,000 pipe shuf minus n 10. Picks up 10 random numbers from the lot. So you could find a lot of use cases for this, and this is what shuf command lets you achieve. It's a filter, quite useful based on different use cases for scrambling data or picking random elements from an input stream. Hope you found this short video useful. If you do really like videos like these, please do comment so I can make more videos on the same lines. Thank you very much. Hope to meet you in future videos like these.